Is the world of investing confusing or intimidating to you?
Do you want to understand how this American money system works and how to actually make your money make money? Welcome to the MakeHer podcast,
where we break down complex financial topics into educational episodes with fun analogies from her perspective.
That is, from the perspective of two femme friends who teach you the stock market by comparing it to a secondhand shopping app, for example.
And sneaking in as many Taylor Swift analogies as I can. It's the life of a showgirl.
But we do have something for everyone, no matter where you are in your investing journey and how much you think you already know. We guarantee you will learn something new.
This podcast is taught teacher-learner style. We're your host. I'm Jess Inskip, your formerly licensed FinLit teacher with over 15 years of actual investing experience and working at brokerage firms.
And I'm Jessie DeNuit, a beginner investor learning alongside you and asking all the questions you were thinking.
And together, we're on a mission to make you fin-fluent.
So be sure to check out our 100+ episodes on a variety of foundational financial literacy topics, and tune in weekly for new episodes on everything from what the Fed is doing and how that impacts our money, to beginner, intermediate, and advanced concepts that every self-directed investor should know.
We want you to feel confident in managing your own portfolio, and we'll even show you the free tools and resources available at all brokerage firms.
So if you're ready to get better at your finances with your finance sisters, subscribe to MakeHer wherever you listen to podcasts, because when you invest in yourself and you build knowledge,
you break barriers.